Many foreign investors are drawn to Vietnam's booming property market. Attractive returns, a growing middle class, and a vibrant economy make it tempting to invest. But what if your investment isn't as secure as it appears? Using a nominee to own property in Vietnam may seem like a convenient shortcut, especially in sectors with ownership restrictions. On paper, everything looks legal. In practice, the risks can be devastating. A nominee arrangement involves a local Vietnamese individual holding property on behalf of a foreign investor. You provide the capital, the nominee appears as the legal owner, and you rely on private agreements to control the asset. Many investors believe that signed agreements, powers of attorney, or informal promises are enough to protect their ownership. But under Vietnamese law, the registered name is everything. Courts recognize only the legal owner, leaving foreign investors vulnerable. Foreign investors often turn to nominees to bypass restrictions on foreign property ownership, to simplify transactions, or to expedite purchases. It seems convenient. It seems safe, but convenience does not equal security. A nominee may be trustworthy at first, but relationships can change. Disputes, financial pressure, or even misunderstanding of agreements can turn your investment into a legal nightmare. The real problem is enforceability. Even with well-drafted private agreements, a foreign investor's rights are not automatically recognized by Vietnamese authorities. If a dispute arises, courts typically side with the registered legal owner. That means your capital, effort, and strategic plans may be at risk if your nominee refuses to transfer ownership back. Many investors are unaware of how fragile this structure can be until it's too late. Imagine this scenario: a foreign investor hires a nominee to hold a high-end apartment in Ho Chi Minh City. The nominee delays the transfer back, disputes arise over payment terms, and despite having signed agreements, the investor has no legal recourse to regain ownership immediately. Another case involves a family member acting as a nominee who, after a dispute, refuses to hand over the property. These are realistic, anonymized examples that reflect the risks every investor should understand. Trust is important in business, but in legal terms, it is insufficient. Vietnam's legal system prioritizes formal registration over informal or private agreements. Relying solely on trust exposes foreign investors to delays, litigation costs, and in extreme cases, complete loss of property rights. Even when agreements include control mechanisms or buyback clauses, enforcing them may require lengthy legal action, often with uncertain outcomes. While using a nominee is inherently risky, there are strategies to minimize exposure. Professional legal guidance is critical. Structuring the arrangement with clear nominee agreements, supporting documents, and contingency plans can provide some protection. Alternative strategies include forming a legal entity that allows foreign ownership, or investing in sectors and properties where ownership restrictions do not apply. Each approach must be tailored to your investment and risk tolerance. At LTS Law, we help foreign investors navigate Vietnam's property laws safely. We assess your objectives, evaluate risks, and recommend strategies that comply with local regulations while protecting your investment. Our team prepares nominee agreements, supporting documentation, and legal toolkits to ensure enforceability wherever possible. We focus on prevention, ensuring that every step of the transaction aligns with Vietnamese law and your strategic goals. Vietnam offers incredible opportunities for property investment, but not all shortcuts are safe. Nominee structures carry hidden risks that can threaten ownership and control. Legal due diligence, proper documentation, and professional guidance are non-negotiable for foreign investors who want to protect their capital and minimize disputes. Before entering any property transaction using a nominee in Vietnam, consult with LTS Law. Our team provides actionable legal advice, prepares enforceable agreements, and ensures that your investment is structured for security, compliance, and peace of mind. Visit lts.com.vn and book a consultation today to protect your property and your investment in Vietnam from the very start.